Jewels, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this Euphoria inspired look. So if you'd like to see how I achieved it and all my tips and tricks, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. So first I'm starting off by outlining my brows with my Kiss Top Brow Pencil. It's the shade that's like 07. And then I'm filling my brows in with my e.l.f. Lock-On Liner in the shade Espresso. To clean under my brows, I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And I'm going to use my paintbrush by the Crayon case to clean up under my brows. After I've blended that out, I'm going to apply some tape because I kind of want this to be super sharp. So I'm priming my eyelids with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 00. So I'm going in with this darker brown shade out of the Blush Binder palette from the Crayon case, and I'm going to use that for my transition shade. So next we're going to do this very dramatic cut crease, and I'm using that same concealer I used to prime my eyelid. So I'm going to be using my Color Me Caribbean palette by Posh Culture, and the first shade we're going to go into is Caribbean Blue. I'm going to be using Il Makiage's Color Boss single eyeshadow in the shade Yellow, and I'm going to be placing this towards the end of the cut crease. And then I'm going to be taking the blue shade Royalty from that same palette and placing that in the middle to blend these two colors in together. So for my inner corner, I'm going to be using the shade Coconut Milk from the Color Me Caribbean palette. I'm going to take the tape off and wipe away any of the fallout. And then I'm going to prime my face with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 470. I know it looks red, but trust me, it matches. For my mascara, I'm going to be using my Crayon Case Black Marker Mascara. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Caviar to contour. To highlight, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13. And then I'm going to spray my Il Makiage Hydrating Setting Spray. So now I'm just going to apply my ColourPop No Filter Concealer to my lower lash line. And I'm going to use the two last darkest shades on my lash line. And after we do that, I'm going in with another Makeup Revolution concealer. This one is in the shade C12, just to give me a little extra razzle dazzle. So I'm going to set that area with this brown shade from the Blush Binder. And then I'm going to go in with my Crayon Case Chalkdust in the shade S. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. So after I've dusted away the excess powder, I'm going to be setting my whole face with my Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder, and this is in the shade Cognac. So I'm bronzing my face with my Vesca Beauty bronzer. This is in the shade Kiss in Tahiti. So to apply the gems on my face, I'm going to be using eyelash glue, and I'm just going to outline around that eyeshadow. I got these gems from Amazon. I'll be sure to link them down below. I bought them for my nails, and when I went into the store to buy some eye jewels, I realized I already had these. To apply the gems to my face, I'm going to be using an eyeliner pencil, or you could actually get a pen that's made for grabbing the jewels, but I just stuck with what I already had. I did realize it's better to work in sections because you don't want your glue to get too dry in case you have to readjust some of the jewels. So I'm just going to repeat that all over my eyes. Look at how bomb this looks. I can't wait to see the finished look. So for my blush, I'm going to be taking this orangey shade from the same Blush Binder palette. And then I'm going to set my contour with this dark purple shade from the Blush Binder. You could literally use this for everything. The lashes I'm going to be using are by Made by Kylie Cosmetics, and these are in the style Ian. These lashes are so perfect for this look. So now I'm going to set my face with the same hydrating spray from Il Makiage. So I'm going to use my Simmer Brown pencil by Wet n Wild to line my lips. I tried to use a different lip pencil and clearly it wasn't, it wasn't working. I'm going to be using my MDM Flow lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude. This is like one of my favorite nudes. And then I'm going to add my Curembez lip gloss by Lulu's Lips to give it that extra shine. And this is the finished look. It is so bomb. Look at this. Look at how those diamonds are dancing, honey. Yes. Thank you, Jewel, so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up for me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.